H parameter of PNP transistor in common emitter mode. Here is the kit having 4 meters, 1 volt DC, 200 microampere, 20 milliampere and 10 volt DC. Here is the two supply variable from 0 to 1 volt DC, and here we have got 0 to 10 volt DC at these terminals. Here the PNP transistor having emitter, base and collector terminal is brought out. Firstly, you have to make the connections as per the manual. Then we have to calculate the different parameters, that is current gain, input impedance HIE, output impedance, reverse gain HRE, and these all are H parameters, and we have to calculate with the help of this kit. Firstly, I have to connect. Here is the variable which goes to positive and negative. Here we have to positive goes to voltmeter and negative of supply goes to negative of voltmeter, and the same from here we will connect microampere meter negative. This is the for the base current and goes to base. Collector goes to milliampere. Here we get IC, and negative, this goes to the negative of the voltmeter, and negative of this voltmeter goes to the negative supply, and the positive is goes to the positive of voltmeter, and this positive goes to the emitter, and both the supply is common. Here positive of this supply is common with the emitter, and emitter is common with this supply. Here the positive of supply, and both the potentiometer at minimum position. Switch on the instrument and we will start to take the readings. Now we have to fill this sample observation table having VBE, IB and IC, VCE and IC. These are the parameters we have getting from this kit. Here is the base emitter voltage VBE, here VCE, and this is the IC, and this current is microampere will show the IB. First of all, for the input characteristics, switch on the instrument and set the VCE at 8 volt. Here we 8 volt. Now increase the gradually VBE around 0.3 volt. Here we note down the IB. IC is 0. IC will come around 0.7 volt. The sample observations we have, and this may be vary piece to piece. Now again take the reading in steps of 25 microampere, increasing around 7 volt. We will get the IC. Note down VBE, IB and IC for the input characteristics, and with the help of calculation we can get the HFE from that. For the output characteristics, you have to set the current around 75 microampere. Now increase the now we'll decrease the 8 volt, 7 volt, 6 volt, 5 volt, 3, 4, 2, 1. Each time we have to calculate the, now it will stop. Same way from up to 8 we have to note down the current and fill in the table and calculate the HRE and HOE with the help of formula. Thank you.